got him, boys. Let's see if we get him, boys. Alright, boys, there's two. We ain't gonna stay out a long time. It's cold out here. These squirrels, they're not moving much. They want the sun. He's hungry too, boys. I'm close to him. He's pretty easy. See what he's doing? He's in this grass right here. He's gonna catch him a mouse, but he wouldn't take a squirrel probably. I killed that squirrel here not too far from him. Now, you know he's hungry, boy. This game ain't stirred much here in a while. That's about 8 feet from that owl pit right there, boy. What do you think about that shit? 8 feet. We're gonna zoom on his ass. If I only had his eyes. But boy, he ain't wanting to give up here. He let me get that close to him. See this grass right here? He's mouse hunting. There you go, boys. 2 each gray squirrels. We get this snow off these north slopes so I don't break my neck. We may do a little hunting tomorrow and the next day.